Welcome, today I'm showing how to activate quick launch into TCL 205. First of all, open settings and find system option, this one. Go into, here choose again source option, and first option in the list will be quickly open camera. Go into, and here we got switcher and instruction. The quickly open camera, press volume up button twice, works when the screen is off. So activate this option, block our screen, and let's try. And how you can see, camera is open. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.